Imagine this. The world's most renowned physics laboratory, CERN, home of the Large Hadron Collider, is hiding a secret that could shatter everything we believe about the universe. What if the data coming from CERN isn't as perfect as they claim? What if there are massive quantum errors lurking in their experiments? Errors so significant that they threaten to upend our understanding of reality. Today we're diving into the shocking possibility that CERN is covering up these quantum anomalies on a scale that could rewrite the laws of physics as we know them. And trust me, what you're about to hear will have you questioning everything. CERN's cutting-edge experiments and the anomalies. Let's get straight to the point, without any fluff. CERN is supposed to be at the cutting edge of scientific discovery. They run the world's most powerful particle collider, smashing atoms together at nearly the speed of light in a quest to unlock the secrets of the universe. But recently, some insiders have reported that the data coming out of CERN's experiments has been showing inexplicable quantum errors, fluctuations and inconsistencies that simply shouldn't be possible according to our current understanding of physics. These aren't small glitches. They're massive anomalies that challenge the very foundations of the Standard Model. And instead of addressing these issues openly, CERN appears to be keeping them under wraps, detecting the quantum errors, a repeating pattern. And here's where it gets truly bizarre. These quantum errors aren't just isolated incidents. They seem to follow a strange, repeating pattern, a signal that something deep and unsettling is happening inside the collider. Leaked reports suggest that, in multiple experiments, researchers have noticed energy distortions and fluctuations that defy explanation. Could it be that CERN's high-energy collisions are causing disruptions in the quantum field, creating anomalies that hint at unknown physics? Some theorists even speculate that these errors might be the first signs of a rift in our understanding of reality, a tear in the fabric of space-time itself. Theories of hidden realities and unstable physics. Now, let's explore the theories behind what might really be happening. The first theory suggests that CERN's experiments are unintentionally tapping into parallel realities. Imagine if, during these high-energy collisions, microscopic rifts in space-time are opened, allowing information or energy from alternate dimensions to bleed into our own. This could explain the recurring errors, as the data from these other realities interferes with the expected outcomes of the experiments. A second theory is even more shocking. It proposes that CERN may have discovered something so dangerous and so revolutionary that they've chosen to keep it secret. If these quantum anomalies are evidence of an unstable or even volatile aspect of reality, admitting it to the public could cause global panic. The idea here is that CERN might be deliberately hiding these errors to prevent mass hysteria, or worse, to avoid triggering unintended consequences by revealing information that could destabilize our scientific models. Then there's the theory that the cover-up is motivated by reputation and funding. If the errors being observed actually prove that our fundamental understanding of physics is flawed, the implications are enormous. Billions of dollars are invested in maintaining and advancing these experiments. Acknowledging that CERN's data is compromised by unknown errors could not only undermine decades of scientific research, but also risk the enormous financial and political capital built around these discoveries. Would CERN risk everything by admitting that they're lost? Or is it all being swept under the rug to preserve the status quo? The fourth theory takes an even broader view. These quantum anomalies might be a warning sign of something much bigger, a signal that our universe is far less stable than we once believed. In this scenario, the errors are not just experimental glitches, but indications that the quantum field itself is showing signs of instability, potentially heralding a collapse or transformation of the very fabric of our cosmos. The potential dangers of concealing quantum instability. Before we jump into why this could be dangerous, let me pause for a moment and ask you, what do you think? Are these errors just quirks of experimental physics, or are they evidence of a reality that's spiraling toward instability? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button now, because we're just getting started on uncovering the truth that CERN might not want you to know. Consequences of concealing quantum errors. All right, let's take a quick break from the theories. If you're finding this as mind-blowing as we are, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into the hidden side of science. Your support helps us keep digging into these mysteries that challenge everything we think we know. Now, let's talk about why this cover-up could be dangerous. If CERN is indeed hiding massive quantum errors, the consequences could be catastrophic. Imagine if these anomalies are causing unpredictable energy surges or disturbances in the quantum field. The potential for unintended chain reactions could be real, a ripple effect that might, in extreme scenarios, even lead to localized disruptions in space-time. While this might sound like science fiction, some physicists warn that tampering with forces we don't fully understand is never without risk. An unstable quantum field could have far-reaching consequences, affecting not only the experiments, but also the fundamental structure of our universe. And if these errors are being systematically concealed, the public remains dangerously uninformed about potential threats that might already be in motion. Is CERN covering up the truth? Final thoughts. Now, let's wrap up with our final thoughts. Is CERN covering up these quantum errors to protect their reputation? Or is there a deeper, more ominous reason behind the secrecy? Could these anomalies be the precursor to the biggest scientific breakthrough of our time, or the harbinger of an unforeseen disaster? As we continue to push the boundaries of science, it's essential that we remain vigilant and question the information presented to us. The truth about what's happening inside the Large Hadron Collider may have implications far beyond the realm of particle physics. Recap: CERN's role and the quantum anomalies. Before we close, here's a quick recap for those who might be new to this story. CERN is internationally renowned for its groundbreaking experiments at the Large Hadron Collider. Its mission is to explore the fundamental nature of matter by smashing particles together at extremely high energies. Over the years, CERN has made historic discoveries such as the Higgs boson, which confirmed the mechanism that gives mass to particles. However, amidst these triumphant milestones, there have been whispers, reports of data inconsistencies and quantum errors that simply do not fit the expected patterns. Rather than being openly addressed, these anomalies have allegedly been suppressed or downplayed, leading to growing concerns among a few scientists who fear that the very foundations of our understanding of physics are in jeopardy.